The overall goal of this protocol is to develop a method for rapid automated high-throughput screening of plant protoplasts, specifically to address the current bottleneck in early screening of large numbers of genome editing and gene silencing targets.
This method can help answer key questions in the plant biotechnology field. The main advantage of this technique is that it enables high-throughput automated protoplast production and transformation for rapid parallel screening of promoter function and gene expression.
This procedure will be demonstrated using the widely used tobacco bright yellow 2 or BY2 suspension culture. Start by growing a BY2 culture in an Erlenmeyer flask, as described in the protocol text. On the day of protoplast isolation, mix the culture thoroughly, as cells will rapidly settle, and transfer 6 milliliters of the culture to a 15 milliliter conical bottom centrifuge tube. Let the cells settle for at least 10 minutes. Adjust the packed cell volume to 50% of the total volume by removing the appropriate volume of supernatant. Shake the tube by inverting it, and then use wide-bore pipettes to pipette 500 microliters of cell suspension into each well of a 6-well plate for digestion. The first step in this procedure is to turn on all the components of the robotic system, which are the microplate mover, the liquid handler, the multi-mode plate reader, the multi-mode dispenser, the plate heater or chiller,